Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, there lived an elephant named Ellie and a little dog named Buddy. Ellie was big and gray, with long swaying ears, while Buddy was small and fluffy, with a wagging tail that never seemed to stop. One sunny day, as Ellie and Buddy were playing near the river, they heard a faint cry for help. They rushed towards the sound and found a trapped monkey struggling to get out of a deep pit. "Please help me! I can't get out!" cried the monkey. Without hesitation, Ellie used her trunk to lift the monkey out of the pit, while Buddy barked encouragement from the sidelines. The monkey thanked them profusely and promised to be their friend forever. From that day on, Ellie, Buddy, and the monkey became the best of friends. They explored the jungle together, helping any animal in need along the way. One rainy night, a fierce storm hit the jungle, and a flood swept through, washing away the homes of many animals. In the midst of the chaos, Ellie got separated from Buddy and the monkey. She searched desperately for them, calling out their names, but the storm was too loud. Meanwhile, Buddy and the monkey were huddled together, scared and alone. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Ellie emerged from the rain, her trunk swinging with relief. She found Buddy and the monkey safe and sound, and they hugged each other tightly, grateful to be reunited. And so, the friendship between an elephant and a dog flourished, proving that no matter how different we may seem, true friendship knows no bounds.